Hi, everyone. I'm here with Charlie and Geoff from NTT Data. How are you both feeling?
Good.
Feel great.
Yeah.
Are you having a great Microsoft Ignite?
Yeah, it's amazing. Very busy, but just the amount of knowledge and things that are being announced and trying to process this, I think I'll be processing it for many weeks to come.
It's a great mixture of technology and customers, and yeah, it's been great.
I love that. I love to hear it. Charlie, could you tell us what you do at NTT Data and what are you most excited to share with us today?
Yeah, absolutely. So I look after our global Agentic AI services and employee experience. And I'm really excited to share some of the recent announcements that we're making alongside Ignite on what we've built on some of the new technology that's being announced.
Okay, that's remarkable. Thank you so much. What about you, Geoff? Tell us what you do. And then also tell us, when we say converged communications, what exactly are we talking about and why does it matter?
Geoff Newman, I'm the head of collaboration for North America. So run a sales team of specialists, working very closely with our solution architects and the people in Charlie's team. So for us, you know, this has been a long road with Microsoft. We've been doing this for a long time, and you know, we're the largest Operator Connect provider now globally. So with all the rapid change that's happened with AI and Microsoft's leadership position in this, converged communications for me is about bringing, you know, voice, data, AI, and unifying it all in an AI-powered platform that is probably first and foremost secure.
Right.
So taking it out to, you know, healthcare companies, financial companies, logistics companies, it tells a really amazing story. And so many of those customers that started this journey with us, can't get enough of hearing more about how we can unify this to make their employee and customer experience enhanced.
Thank you so much for sharing that. I actually like the saying converged communication, so that's a great one. Charlie, what about you? You've built a communications portal powered by Microsoft's Agentic AI framework. Show us what it can do.
Yeah, so I thought we would take a look and do a bit of a demo.
Yes.
And NTT is one of the world's largest GSIs, and so we manage a lot of stuff. So we manage, you know, network and cloud and Azure. And so you have a portal that you go into, which you could see on your screen, and I can go and check my services, but now you can check agents. So you could, all the agents that are doing all this great work for you, you can see how they're doing and are they doing the right things.
Right.
But also you can give them ways to talk and communicate and use tools, which allows them to do their work, basically.
Yeah, and I mean, thank you for showing that to us. For the audience watching, what is one takeaway that you want them to get from this demo?
Yeah, I think for the most part, if you look at the agents on the screen, if I click on one here, essentially you can see all of the different tools that the agent has access to and how it actually works and the type of personality it should have and little tweaks that you need to do to make it successful. So I think that what's important about Agentics is that they need constant management, and with Agent Framework and what's been announced at Microsoft Ignite, providers like me can provide accountability to the agents we create to make sure they're going to do the job that they're supposed to do.
Yeah, and taking accountability for the agents that you create is important, right?
Yes, yes.
So Geoff, what are organizations gaining from this kind of intelligence?
So I think there's quite a few areas that they're gaining. One of the things that we're seeing is that as we're bringing all these different technologies together and putting the AI wrapper on it, it's going to, as I mentioned earlier, it's going to enhance collaboration. It's going to provide them with a unified solution that can be secured. It's going to provide governance, compliance, audit trails that they're able to use. And I think, you know, for a lot of customers, the fact that we're building it inside their environment, you know, it gives them that comfort level that it's going to be controlled by them and further secured.
Yeah, and I think the comfort around security is important because especially in this AI era, a lot of people are like apprehensive, overwhelmed. There's so many solutions out there. So Charlie, what's next for NTT Data and this platform?
Yeah, so one of the things that we do with this platform is we build both low-code and pro-code agents using AI Foundry, Copilot Studio, and also Agent Framework. And what we've done now is build factories for customers where they can come up with any idea that they can come up with Agentic AI, and we build them in Microsoft tooling and then have that accountability behind it. So really it's helping customers move forward instead of getting stuck in proof of concepts, never-ending processes.
Right, and for you both, when we think about the NTT Data and the Microsoft partnership, partnership. What does the future hold? What can we expect? I mean, maybe don't leak anything, but what can we expect? What can folks watching and our customers, what can they look forward to, especially as we are currently in, but also moving into the era of AI? The way we live, the way we work is changing.
I would say from recent engagements,
Yeah.
what we expect to see more of and has been so beneficial to us and our customers is that this journey really is a three-legged stool. It's us, the client, and Microsoft. So getting Microsoft's involvement in what we're doing, helping us understand the technology, what's coming next, better ways to do things, to leverage the stuff that Microsoft already knows from doing all this. So that, for me, that's one area that I've been really happy with.
That's a great one.
Yeah. Our CEO has become our chief AI officer, and so what he's really doing is having us infuse AI into our platforms and products. Create these factories that we can build AI for our customers, but also build industry domain-specific AI models that are built for banks and insurance companies and manufacturing companies, so they can really see the value of agentic AI and AI in general a lot quicker.
Right, and I love that you're sharing about the value of agentic AI. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you for the partnership between Microsoft and NTT Data. Thank you for being here at Microsoft Ignite. And for you all watching, if you want to learn more about NTT Data, follow the link below, and I hope you have a great rest of Microsoft Ignite. Take care.